everyone, this is your boy Kelvin. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to do 5 days challenge. Okay, push up and plank 5 days challenge. The last time we did 5 days plank push up, also 5 days challenge. So this is how we are going to do it. The last one, we are going to do reverse challenge of plank and push up. So it's going to be like this. The first one, the previous challenge was you do 1 minute plank, 10 push up. All right. So day 5 will be 5 minutes plank, 50 push up. Now we are going to do it reverse. All right. So we are going to do it 10 push up, 1 minute plank, 20 push up, 2 minutes plank, 30 push up, 3 minutes, 40 push up, 4 minutes plank. Then the last one will be 50 push up. Wow, 5 minutes plank. And this one is unbroken. All right. So you cannot do 10 and relax and do 1 minute. No. When you push 10, then you will stay 1 minute. You push 20, you stay 2 minutes. All right. So my time is here. I don't know, maybe this time it's going to be a little confused because my hands are going to be busy on the floor. So I will not know how to count it, but I will try to hold the timer like this. Then I will press. All right, first and start. I'll just try something. Okay. So if your side, somebody can do the 1 minute for you, pressing the time for you, it's also okay. Okay, let's see if this one will work. Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to push 10 push up. Then on my plank, I will press the time. Okay, good. This will be okay because the push up, there's no time on it. Just do to your limit. Okay, 10 push up, 1 minute plank. Always the starts or the first is always easy. Wow. Okay, let's do it. 10 push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 seconds. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 1 minute. Okay. Very good. So that's it. This first challenge of day 1. Okay. So day 2 is going to be 20 push up, 2 minutes. Okay. So this is your boy Kelvin. I'm out.